I'm Sarah Reif. I'm one of the CGAP data wranglers. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to submit new cases and family history information through the CGAP UI. So I'm currently on a test environment, but if you log into CGAP and are on your main case page, then you'll see this button, Submit New. So we're going to start with Submit New Cases. So if you belong to multiple projects, you'll just need to select which project you want to submit to. And then the submission type is accessioning. So once you proceed to the next step, then you can browse to select the file you want to upload. And I'll select this one, which is the spreadsheet that I went over in the previous video about how to fill out the spreadsheets. Then I'll click on Upload Case. So then the server is going to extract the information in the spreadsheets. And this sometimes can take about like 15 to 30 seconds. So then at the next step, if there are any errors in how the spreadsheet is formatted, those will come up. But in this particular case, we'll get a message that everything was validated correctly. So here there are accessions for the new items that were created if you need to keep track of any of those. And this is the UUID for this particular submission. So if you need to submit FASTQ files or any other files later on, you'll want to copy this and save it so you can associate those to this submission. But for now, we can click on this button to view our new cases. So this is the new case that we just submitted. So we can click on it to look at our accessioning information. And you'll notice that the pedigree is just the proband and the mother and the father. So in the next step, I can go over how to submit family history information. So again, we'll click on Submit New, but this time choose Family History. And again, we can choose our project. And this time the submission type will be Family History. So we'll select a file again, and this time I'll select my pedigree file, which again is the example I showed in the previous video about filling out spreadsheets. And then the same thing will happen here, where if there is any errors in the spreadsheet, those will pop up and you can either fix the spreadsheet yourself, or if you're not sure what the problem is, you can contact your contact person at CGAP, or I'll also show our help desk email at the end of this video. But here, everything validated successfully. We can copy accessions for the new individual, the family, if we want. We shouldn't need to save this submission ID this time. And then we can click this to view related cases. And this time, if we click on the case, we'll see our extended pedigree information. So we submitted some phenotype information about the mother. We also submitted some phenotype information about the father, although this isn't colored in right now. And then the father has two parents, which are the proband's paternal grandparents. And then if we click in the background of the pedigree, we can also decide to show these other phenotypes if we want, or deselect a couple phenotypes if we'd like. And so then now in our help menu, we have a page called Account Help, which has our support desk email. So you can email us here if you need an account, or if you have any questions about the submission process. So thanks for listening.